The key fob not detected error in your 2025 Ram trucks, particularly Ram 1500 and 2500 models, means the vehicle isn't recognizing your key fob for starting. This typically appears as a dashboard warning and prevents push-button engine start. The crucial first step is to use the Push Start Override feature. Insert your spare key into the ignition slot if your model has one, or hold the programmed fob very close to the start button. This bypasses the faulty detection and allows manual engine start. Understand that this is only a temporary fix, not a permanent solution. Most such issues are resolved with over-the-air software updates. Software Update 2025.2, released in June 2025, addresses most problems caused by electromagnetic interference. Checking for and installing this update is the first step toward permanent resolution. First, check the key fob battery. A low battery below 2.5 volts can cause detection failures. Replace it with a fresh CR2032 battery. Next, reset your RAM's battery. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 10 to 15 minutes to clear the body control module memory, then reconnect. This often resolves glitches. If the problem persists, perform an RF hub reset. The RF hub manages the wireless signals from the key fob. This requires a dealer diagnostic tool, such as an OBD2 scanner, to recalibrate the hub and clear signal interference. Note that some aftermarket accessories can cause RF interference. Consider if the problem started after installing such accessories and try using the vehicle without them. For persistent issues, especially if you suspect hardware failure, consult your Ram dealership.